Boys and girls, we are going to get started with our writing and language section of the packet. So look for your writing and language section. Inside of the writing and language section, I need you to, let's see here, I need you to find, it says Lesson 20 root words. This is on page number 8. Page number 8 is what we're looking for. Our objective today is to talk about root words. Root words are the main part of the word. So some words can be broken into parts. And if a word can be broken into parts, that means that there has to be a root word inside that word. And the root word is the main part. If you know what the root word means inside of a big word, then likely you'll know the meaning of the whole word. Let me give you an example. The root word help. I have the root word help right here. Okay, I'll highlight it just so it pops. I have the root word help. Now, I know that help means to make something easier for someone or to do something that makes things easier for someone, to help. So I have some words down here that all have the root word help. I have help-er, I have helpful, I have helping. Because I know what the root word help means to make something easier for someone or to do something for someone, that makes it easier for me to understand what these words mean, even if there's extra suffixes, which are letters that are added at the end. Helper. That's just someone who always makes something easier for someone or does something for someone. Helpful. That's being full of help. Helping, that's actively doing something to make something easier for someone. So we have the root word help, but we've got it used in many different ways with many different letters or suffixes added to the end. Now let's start with number 1. The first thing that we have to do is to find the root word. Weather watchers study clouds. Watch is our root word. That's the main part of that word is watch. I know what watch means, but they've added the suffix ers, watchers. What are watchers? Okay, we know what watch means, okay? What do you think a watcher means? People who look at something, getting dark, helpful, or soft and light. Well, in this case, a watcher, let me see if it'll let me do it. A watcher would be someone who looks at something. Somebody who looks at something. All right, next one. Clouds give useful hints about weather. Useful is our word that we're looking at, and I've already highlighted the root word use, okay? So they've added the suffix at the end, full, useful. What does the word useful mean? Do you think that means getting dark? If something is useful, do you think that means it's getting dark? If something is useful, do you think that means it's helpful? Or if something is useful, do you think that it is soft and light? If something is useful, let me see if it'll let me do. Nope, not going to let me. If something is useful, that means that it is helpful. And since I can't draw a line to the word, I'm just going to write helpful next to that. Okay. Puffy clouds mean the day will be nice. Puff is our root word. That's the main part of that word. Then they've added the Y at the end. Puffy. What does puffy mean? Okay, look at your choices. Does puffy mean getting dark or soft and light? I want you to do number 3 and number 4 independently. Let's jump down to the next page, which is page number 9. Let's do a few of these together. Be careful when you see big, dark clouds. Well, the word that they want us to look at is careful. Care is our root word, care. Full is our suffix that they've added at the end. What does careful mean? Be careful when you see big dark clouds. Does careful mean quiet, safe, noisy, or silly? Well, if you are being careful, you are being safe. Okay, you are being safe. Number 2, dangerous. My root word in dangerous is danger. Danger. What does dangerous mean? Dangerous weather may be coming. What does dangerous mean? Good, sunny, cold, or harmful? Harmful means to cause harm to something. So if something is dangerous, it is also harmful. It could hurt you or cause harm to you. So the answer to 2 is D. I want you to finish by doing 3 and 4 independently. Today we learned that some big words can actually be broken into parts. That's because they have a root word, which we usually know the meaning of. The root word is the main part of the word, and then they'll have a suffix like er, ful, ing tagged on at the very end to change the word slightly. So we've got root words, which are the main part of the words, and then we have our suffixes at the end. All right, good luck on doing number 3 and 4 on page 8 and 9.